Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we're here with another product review for you. And we just received this product from a company called Bonaok, and they sent it to us for us to review. Now we're going to open up this box and find out exactly what it is. Now I've already cut the tape on the box, but I haven't opened it yet. I saved that for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into here. Ooh, snap, crackle, pop. Open this bad boy up. What do we got here? Looks like a speaker. You guys like speakers. Here we go. Nice, very nice. Let's see what we got here. And it just says Bonaok Karaoke Machine portable Bluetooth speaker with 2 wireless mics. All right, so here we go. This is actually it. And there it is. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker, 2 wireless mics, T-03 from Bonaok. And we're going to open this thing up and we're going to take a look at it and see what we have here. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's portable, so that means that it is battery powered. So you can take it everywhere you want. All you have to do is charge it up, take it everywhere you want. Here's a nice little manual, karaoke machine. And then what else is in the box here? We have the 2 microphones. Here's one of them. Feels pretty nice, pretty solid. It's plastic exterior, metal on the top. They feel pretty good though. They have a nice little weight to them. We have that one. And then we have the second one right here. There we go. Both of them look very nice. And now they actually are differentiated by the colors of the buttons. So one of them has an orange button and one of them has a black button. And I guess that's the way they are because it shows them like that on the manual. So it's probably like a mic 1 and a mic 2. There you go. Nice size mics. Different button colors. I'm gonna put those down. And now let's get out the karaoke machine. Ooh, let's see. Here it is. Very cool, guys. Very cool. What else is in the box? Okay, we have a looks like some type of strap to hold it by. We have a little charging cable, USB-C, and I believe it is USB-C fast charging, so you can use your fast charging brick on it. I know some stuff, if you use a fast charging brick on it, like these wireless mics I have right here. Probably just made a bunch of noise with that. Sorry. These wireless mics, if you fast charge them, they don't work right. So you have to use a regular charger, just from like a USB plug or something like that, from a computer maybe. But this one says it does accept fast charging, so that's pretty cool. So here we have it. Oh, look, it has a handle. So it has a little handle here. There it is. So it's pretty much everything that comes in the box. So you have your, I guess like a shoulder strap here. You can strap this on. You can carry it with you. It looks like it straps on right here on both sides. You strap it on here and here. Let's just do it real quick. Let's see how this is. I've never actually strapped a Bluetooth speaker to me before, so this is going to be the first time. First time right here on Real Reviews. And these turn too, so it doesn't really matter how you put them on because the straps, they spin around at the ends. That's really nice. You just take it with you like this. There you go. And then you're gonna just go sing wherever you want to sing, man. Just put it down, break open your mic right here, and just start singing. You're probably gonna get kicked out, but whatever, you know, you got a portable Bluetooth speaker. All right, so let's go ahead and take these straps off just to move them out of the way here. Really easy, and these feel pretty good too. These little clips, they feel kind of quality. There's a little bit of a quality to them, so that's really nice. Go ahead and just put this out of the way here. All right, so let's take a look at this speaker, see what we have. So it looks like you can use a little SD card. It has a little micro SD card slot. You can use USB. It has an aux port, and it also has an external mic jack right here. And here is the charging port right here. So there's not any cover on it, so I don't believe that you can get this wet or anything. I don't think it has any type of IPX rating, but you can actually, you know, carry it around with you because it is portable. Very nice. It's pretty light. It doesn't really weigh much. I don't have a scale with me, but we can measure it. See how much this thing measures to be. So it looks like across the top it's about, I don't know, maybe like 9.5 inches, by maybe like 5 or so inches right there, and height-wise, about 11 3/4 inches. Okay, guys, I went and got a little scale, and we're gonna go ahead and check and see how much this thing weighs. All right, so here we go. 4.9 pounds, that's what it weighs. It doesn't really weigh much, and it has the handle, so that's nice. And up here, what do we have? It looks like we have some type of a microphone button, lights, memory, maybe M. I'm not really sure what M means. Probably look in the manual for that. And then we have a forward button, reverse button, and play and pause button. So that's pretty cool. And a tiny little power button right there for you guys. And this spot right here, you can actually put your phone right here. I don't really have a phone to put in there right now, so I can't really show you that. All right, so let's take a look at the manual, see if there's anything special in here that we might need to know. Oh, actually, I do have a phone. Here we go. My assistant just handed me a phone. So you can go ahead and stick your phone here. I guess you probably need a phone without the case on it, though, because it's really not that thick. I mean, you can't really cram it in there. Without the case, you probably could, but like this is going to fall. So just bear that in mind. All right, so let's check out this manual here, see what it says. So we got a short press the button to turn on or off the microphone priority function. Long press it to turn on, off, music only. Not sure what any of that means. Kind of like experiment. I guess you kind of got to just experiment. So we have 6 LED lights on here. You have actually it says 6 light modes. The LED lights of the karaoke machine will flash with the rhythm, or you can long press it to turn off the lights. That's pretty cool. So you got the Bluetooth, you got the previous next song, Bluetooth mode, short press. Oh, it even has FM radio. That's pretty cool. I don't see an antenna on it though, so I guess it has a built-in antenna. And then it also has some type of other function controls. Where are they? You see some function controls somewhere? Oh, right here. In the front, guys. I couldn't see the front. Okay, so it looks like you got echo, you got mic plus or minus, and you got your volume knob right here. So pretty cool, pretty cool. And then the microphones, they take 2 AA batteries, and you got the shoulder strap. So I believe these are 15-watt speakers, 6.5-inch 15-watt speakers, what you have here. And as far as I know, it's 8 hours of battery life. I don't know how long it takes to charge it. So let's go ahead and just turn it on. See if it has any juice in it. Ooh. What did it say? Let's try that again. Bluetooth mode? Let's listen to it one more time.
Bluetooth mode.
It's on Bluetooth mode. Okay, so I'm going to actually need a phone to be able to use the Bluetooth. Let's see if we could plug in one of these microphones here. Get some batteries in one of these. Where am I going to get some batteries from? Let me see if I have any batteries in my pocket for whatever reason. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I got some batteries just hanging out in my pocket. That's kind of weird. I have all kinds of batteries. C batteries, D batteries, 12-volt car batteries, whatever, right in my pocket. All right, so here we go. Put that in there. Press the button. Check it out. It has a little digital display. VHF. It has a channel on it. Whoa, 201.20. That's a complex microphone. Hello? Hello, hello?
Sidechain on.
Hello. What did it say?
Sidechain off.
Sidechain?
Sidechain on.
What does that mean? Sidechain on and off. Hello? Hello? How do you do that? Okay, so we are back. I figured out everything. It was my own fault that the microphone was not working, and it was just because this right here is the echo volume. This is the echo volume. Microphone volume was down to 0. That's why the microphone wasn't working. Nothing wrong with the mic. So all you gotta do is press this button right here. Mic comes on, turn on the mic volume, and then you have microphone. And if you want echo, you go ahead and turn up the echo. There you go. How does that sound? Yeah, I'm not gonna yodel on here. I'm not a yodeler, but I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do that, no, guys. So anyhow, right here you got the mic volume. I'm not a yodeler. What the? No, I'm not doing that. Maybe in another video, maybe for my 1,000 views, we can yodel on here, but I'm not yodeling right now. All right, so here we go. So we got the echo volume right here, and we have the mic volume. So if you want to turn down the echo, you can just turn it down like that, and then you have regular mic volume. And this thing is loud, man. I'm surprised. And these microphones, they sound clear. They both just turn on really easily, just like this. Hello, this one's working. Hello, this one's working. Hello, both of them are working. So it's like stereo. And that's pretty much it. Super easy. So also figured out what this sidechain thing is. No, I'm not putting that on there. And I meant 1,000 subscribers, not 1,000 views. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, then I'll bring this back out and I'll yodel for you. But I'm not a yodeler, so it's not going to be good. You're going to have to probably cover your ears, might break your mirrors, or who knows what else. Anyhow, guys, so basically the way that this works right here, we have the echo volume. Echo volume. Boo. Boo, boo, boo. That's cool for Halloween, by the way. All right, so turn that down. And then you have the mic volume. And I was wondering what this meant.
Sidechain on.
Sidechain on and sidechain off. Basically, if sidechain is on, what that does, that actually gives priority to the microphone. So if you have some type of other thing going here, I mean, that's right, I have 2 mics, so that's probably not going to work. So on sidechain, if you have something else going, like I'm going to play a song right here, as you can see. Now, if I talk, it actually lowers the sound of the song so you can hear me talking. So it like kind of like you talk over the song. Hello, hello, hello. I think this mic might be interfering with my other mic.
Sidechain off. Sidechain on.
Okay, so now if I talk, well, it used to work. I don't know what happened. Is it not working no more? Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's working. Okay, so now when I talk, it kind of like lowers the volume of the song in order for you to hear what I'm saying. That's sidechain. Whew. Okay, now this is actually this song right here is actually Vampire from YouTube, and let's just see what the speaker sounds like because it sounds pretty good. It actually jams pretty good, guys, because I went and I picked up another Bluetooth speaker a while back from Sam's, and it was like, I don't know, over $200, and it didn't sound as good as this little speaker sounds. So I mean, for your, if you want to do some karaoke, you want to be able to take this thing around, it doesn't weigh anything. You can actually just grab this thing and use it for karaoke. Dual mics, nice mics, sound really good. It seems like a decent enough build quality. I mean, it's not like top-notch build quality, but it's also really not that expensive. I think it goes for like $99 on Amazon, and sometimes you may be able to find some coupons for it. But overall, it seems to be working pretty good, and even has FM radio, so that's pretty cool. Has different lighting effects, so it does have a lighting feature that goes with the bass, and also has ones that kind of just go on their own like this. It's kind of just spin around. See if this one actually goes with the music or not. Let's pause it. Okay, so that's the one that goes with the music. So it has a bunch of different lighting modes to it. They actually do have one that goes with the beat. It's this one right here. This one kind of goes along with the beat. So what you're getting with this speaker, you're actually getting, you have the speaker, you got two nice wireless microphones that seem to work really well. They sound really clear. You have the shoulder strap, so it makes it easy to take it with you. It has a nice little carrying handle on it right here. It's super lightweight. I mean, this thing doesn't weigh anything. You can actually use a SD card, micro SD card. You can use USB. You can use aux. Has a built-in mic port if you need it. And it's just overall cool. It even has FM radio if you want to be able to use FM radio. Reasonably priced, inexpensive, go-to Bluetooth speaker. I think this could actually work for you guys. So once again, thank you guys from Bonaok for sending me this speaker. I really do appreciate it, and I really do think that it is a cool speaker. Anyhow, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time. All right, I'm out.